right, we have TORRAS, simple but unique, a case for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case from TORRAS. This is their shockproof case for the iPhone 14 Pro. Right off the bat, great packaging. I have had these cases here on the channel before and some other screen protectors. I absolutely love the screen protectors. Now let's take a quick look at this case. Right off the back, like I said, nice packaging here. You have very great box here. TORRAS, worry-free quality products, worldwide happy users, 10 years of concentration, basically dedication. That's how long they've been in the business, making their cases better each year after next. And it is a carbon neutral product, so pretty good right there. They are eco-friendly. So without further ado, let's take a quick look at this case. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. Boom. Inside the case you do get a activation warranty card, as well as this little kind of nice let's get started wonderful journey. You can go ahead and scan that QR code if you want to go ahead and activate that warranty, but this is pretty cool. Never seen this. Simple but unique. I like that. What is this here? Oh, nice. You do have different color option buttons there, which is absolutely fantastic. I'll get to this in a minute. This is a great feature here. Not a lot of cases do that. Let's take a look at the main. Oh, very nice. This is a very nice premium case here. It absolutely feels fantastic in hand, dude. I'm loving this right here. So you do have this air gap, what would they call it, airbag protection is what they're calling, on all four corners. As you can see on the inside of the case there, it is enough space for it to protect. Let's go ahead and you can see if it focuses on the inside there. You do have that air protection there on all four corners and all around the phone too. So if you drop your device, you will be protected on all four corners. Feels very good in hand. It has almost like this velvet-like sense to the touch throughout the whole case. It absolutely feels amazing. I'm genuinely surprised by the feel of this case, of how great this case feels. It is slim and advanced, it's sleek and minimal, but it adds a protection. Let's go ahead and grab this iPhone 14 Pro dummy phone here and show you how it's gonna look on your phone. Fits very snug. You do not have play here around the edges, so the phone is not gonna come out flying out the case. It does feel very good in hand. Look at that. Bam. Depending on what color your phone you get, it's going to change a little bit on the background there. This absolutely looks amazing. You do have a tremendous amount of lip protection there, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up those camera lenses there. As well as the front, you do have plenty of lip protection there on the front of the case there. So you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, you're gonna most definitely not scratch that screen. Looking very good. All the cutouts are nice and precise, no issues there. Your buttons 100% covered, nice and tactile. Your mute slider easily accessible, no issues with accessing the mute slider. And the power button nice and tactile, very responsive there. You do have a cutout there for a wrist lanyard if you want to go ahead and do that. But you get 3 sets of colors here with buttons. You do get the black ones, and then you have some red ones and a yellow one depending on what you like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the red ones. You simply just open this up here. Let's pop these buttons out here. Now you do get the volume rocker and your power button, and simply just push in on these and they kind of pop off like that. Boom, boom. So you have black, red, and yellow. It don't get better than that. And you can match if you want. There's no issues there. And you kind of just get the new buttons and pop them in place here. Very, very premium case here. I'm very satisfied with this case. Boom, look at that. I forgot it does have TORRAS branding right there, but you're not gonna be disappointed with this case. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go. Absolutely, look at how that looks. Buttons nice and tactile, very responsive. Boom, looks absolutely fantastic. If you have any questions in regarding this TORRAS Shockproof case for the iPhone 14 Pro, please leave them down in the comment section below. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.